Hello students. Hello students. Hello students. My name is Prabhakar. I am a senior physics faculty from Sri Chaitanya IIT Academy at Bourampet IPL campus. So today we are going to discuss how to get 60 to 70 percentage of marks from physics subject. So just to go through the analysis which is based on a previous session, that is 2020 January. So last JEE main session. How the scenario is going to be explained. So let us see. So I am going to start with the second year. First chapter is waves. So in that waves chapter, total 6 questions are came from January. So in that waves lesson you have to concentrate on the standing waves and beads and organ pipes, Doppler effect, that's it. So definitely you will get the question. And ray optics. Ray optics is a very important chapter. So this carries 6 questions from the January session 2020. So in this ray optics, just to concentrate on laws of refraction and applications of refraction, TIR, total internal reflection, and prism and applications, lens and applications, and optical instruments. These are the very important topics. So next, wave optics. In that wave optics you have to concentrate only Young's double slit experiment, that means interference and applications, and diffraction and applications, and Malas law, that's it. Definitely you will get the mark. And electrostatics. In this electrostatics you have to concentrate on some few topics. First one is electric field with the different shapes of bodies, and potential, and one more thing, Gauss law and its applications, and finally capacitor and applications. Capacitor is a definitely dependable topic. So each and every JEE mains question is consisting of one question from the capacitor topic. So just to concentrate on it. And current elasticity. Current elasticity is also a major topic. So in this current elasticity, just to concentrate on the voltmeter, ammeter, and how the potential difference is going to be measured, and along with instruments, electrical instruments, that means ammeter, voltmeter, and potentiometer, meter bridge, and Wheatstone bridge. These are the very important topics. And one more thing is RC circuit. So you have to concentrate on RC circuit. Definitely one question will be came from the RC circuit. So this question or this chapter is consisting of 11 questions. Previously it carries 11 questions. So see how much amount of importance is taken by this chapter. And another chapter is moving charges and magnetism. Moving charges and magnetism lesson is the very important chapter. Basically it will be depending upon the magnetic field concepts. So just to concentrate on the magnetic field concepts and magnetic force concept. Okay na? So this is the important one. And moving charge, magnetism and matter. Magnetism and matter is a very easy lesson, but it's not a very important topic. So just to go through it. And EMI, electromagnetic induction. Purely electromagnetic induction is the important one, and this electromagnetic induction is motional EMF, rotational EMF, and rotational EMF. Okay na? And again gas, flux, and induced electric field. So these are the important topics. So just it carries 6 bits. And alternating current, it is also consisting of LR circuit, and RC circuit, and LCR circuit, transformer. These are the very important topics. So through this one, IRMS current and I0 value. Okay na? These are the very important topics. And electromagnetic waves, compulsory. This chapter is consisting of one question from the on the base of displacement current. So that's why electromagnetic waves is the important one. Just to concentrate on the displacement current. And modern physics, atoms and photoelectric effect, and again X-rays and nuclei. These are the chapters including the modern physics. So in that, atoms is related to chemistry also. That's why we can easily understood. And one more thing, photoelectric equation, that is also important topic. And in nuclei is the important topic. Okay na? So in this nuclei, basically you have to concentrate on how much fraction of nuclei undecayed, how much fraction of nuclei will be decayed, and law of radioactive decay law. Okay na? And your nuclear fusion and fusion, pair production, pair annihilation, so equilibrium. So all these are important one from the modern physics in that particular nuclei. And the semiconductor device, basically it is important on xenodiode and transistor and logic gates. Okay na? So these are the very important topics. Definitely one bit will came. And last one is communication system. So this is the important chapter. Only 10 more up to 10 formulas are there. Just to concentrate on this chapter. Definitely you will get one question. Okay na? Bye. Hello students. Now we are going to discuss the important chapters from the first year. So from first year, so units and dimension is the very important chapter. Each and every question paper must consisting of one question from this chapter. So in the previous year or previous analysis 2020 January session, it carries 3 bits, and definitely one question will came in the coming exams also. So just to concentrate on applications of dimensional analysis and the errors. These are the two major important topics in this chapter. And one dimensional motion. So one dimensional motion in this way, in this chapter, so basically concentrate on the integration applications, variable acceleration cases. So that is the major important one. And again the graphs are very important one. So just to concentrate on these topics. And two-dimensional motion, that is nothing but projectile motion and vectors. So projectile horizontal projection, oblique projection, and inclined plane projection, vectors. These are the very important topics. And totally 4 questions are came in the last session. In the one-dimensional motion, 3 questions are there. So and next one is the laws of motion. In this laws of motion, just concentrate on the friction topic. So this is a very important topic. So definitely one question will be came from the friction. So last year this lesson carries 3 bits. And work power energy chapter. Work power energy, in this collisions is the important topic. And vertical circular motion, this is a very important topic. And applications of work, power and energy. These are the major important topics. So in this chapter, last session is carrying 6 bits. So in the coming session also, definitely we will get at least 1 or 2 bits for a paper. So just to concentrate on the work power energy chapter. And system of particles and rotational dynamics, this is the major topic. So in this chapter, center of mass is a very important one. Definitely every question paper is consisting of one question from the center of mass. And again rotational dynamics. In this rotational dynamics, so concentrate on the moment of inertia concept and a law of conservation of angular momentum, and one more thing is rolling motion. These are the very important topics. So from the previous session, it carries 6 bits. So just to remember it, this is a major important chapter. And gravitation, each and every question paper definitely consisting of one question from the gravitation lesson. Don't doubt on this chapter, definitely you have to do it. So that is applications of law of conservation of energy, and again orbital speed, escape speed. So like this is a very important chapter. And the oscillation, so just so concentrate on the simple harmonic motion, that is the time period, how to find out the time period value. So this is the major important one in this topic. And mechanical properties of solids and liquids, that is nothing but elasticity, surface tension and viscosity. Viscosity is the very important chapter, so just to go through it. And elasticity is also a simple lesson. And one more thing is surface tension. So concentrate on the surface tension chapter. So this is the very important one. And thermometry, calorimetry, next heat transfer, and these topics will carry 7 bits. So this is the very important one. Application of expansion of solids, liquids, gases. These are also important one, and along with calorimetry. Calorimetry is the first important topic, and heat transfer. And next chapter is thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is the very important and dependable chapter on the heat. So total thermodynamics carries 7 bits. Definitely the coming exam is also consisting of 1 or 2 bits from each and every question paper. So concentrate on this one. And KTG, kind of theory of gases. This lesson is also carries at least one question. At least one question. So depending upon these analysis, go through, just simply you can get 60 to 70% of marks. Okay. So this is the small effort from our faculty side. Okay.